Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. So this week I'm going to share with you my favorite types of wraps that I use in my studio, in my sessions. This is a common question I get all the time, like where do you get your wraps from? What kind of wraps do you use mainly? I'm going to share with you the three main types of wraps and what I use each mainly for. So hopefully you enjoy this video and answers most of your questions. So let's get started. Okay, so these are the three main types of wraps that I use in my studio. So pretty much this one is a stretchy cheesecloth wraps. Now this is a good wrap. These are the first type of wraps that I use. As you can see, they're really stretchy to the point sometimes when you stretch them too much, they actually stay stretched so they don't cling back together. But it's good, and what I like about them is the texture that they give. So you can use this. Now I use the natural colored one as my base wrap, but these are nice for extra textures I should say. You know, wrap around when the baby's half naked. It gives it a nice look. So this is called the cheesecloth wrap. A second one is my absolute favorite, and recently I got these from Lulu's Prop Shop, and I like these. I think these are called the Jersey stretch wraps, if I'm not mistaken, and these are really stretchy and easy to use. Now these are great because I find they help keep the baby nice and secure. So these are about 130 centimeters long with about 50 centimeters wide, and they're quite stretchy and they're beautiful to use. So once I securely wrap the baby stays in there, and then I use these, you know, just for a one layer wrap, and then you know, you can use it all different ways. It's really nice to use, and the good thing about them, they don't crease as well. So the more you use it, don't crease. And the way I hang my wraps, which is another thing you guys should know, is I hang them like that, so I don't fold them or anything. If I was to pack them away, I just do that and just tie it there, and that's how I do, you know, pack them away. So I've seen people do it this way, but with me I have like a trowel, like a I think it's a trouser, like a drawer thing that comes out, and I just hang them there. So this is most of the time I use this type of wrap, especially lately because I've purchased quite a lot. The third one I absolutely love as well, and this one is from Shooting Star Props. So Vicky, who is the owner, sells these. These are, I think, just a knitted wrap. It's not that stretchy, but it's a nice texture. Now I don't use these to wrap the baby first. I would use something like this and then maybe pop this on top, only because I find with the stretchy wraps it's easier to tighten the wrap and make sure no hands or feet are coming out of the wrap. And then this one you can just easily wrap nicely on top because you have the baby nice and secure in something like this. So the measurements are usually 50 centimeters wide, and then they can go as long as you want. I think they start at, you know, 1.20 meters, and some, you know, prop vendors sell longer wraps as well. So it just depends. So at least 1.20 meters and 50 wide is good to go. Also storing them, you can twist them like this into a ball, or just hang them like I have on a rack like that, and that way they don't crease as well. So that's pretty much what I use. If you can see, these three together are just a nice texture to use underneath the baby and wrap the baby in one. But these are my three main favorite types of wraps that I use in my business. I'm going to put the suppliers that I got these from below this video, wherever you're watching this, and if you have any questions about anything, remember to leave them below. But before you go, if you haven't already, go download my newborn session guide. It's absolutely free. It should be on above or below this video, or over on Instagram on my profile. It's absolutely free. Go download it, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Until then, take care.